Hi, I'm Jamie. I'm the garden manager here at the Mendocino Coast Botanical Gardens, and this is our organic vegetable garden. In 2013, we expanded the vegetable garden with the help of a great group of volunteers to take thousands of pounds of fresh organic produce to the Fort Bragg Food Bank. From about March to October, 20-some volunteers come twice a week, and we harvest a variety of vegetables that fills the back of a pickup truck to take to the food bank. In the wintertime, it's more like once a week, but we're still producing.
I'm Amanda Freisha, and I'm the Executive Director of the Fort Bragg Food Bank, also known as the Mendocino Food and Nutrition Program. One of the biggest roles of the Mendocino Food and Nutrition Program and the Fort Bragg Food Bank is to deliver food throughout the county. And one of our biggest items that we're always very happy to have is fresh produce. Mendocino Coast Botanical Gardens produce is a definite favorite of all of our clients. The Mendocino Coast Botanical Gardens donates about 5,000 to 6,000 pounds of fresh produce a year. That translates to about 200 pounds a week. The Botanical Gardens has been donating to the Fort Bragg Food Bank for over 10 years, and we look forward to many, many more years of wonderful, great, fresh produce.